Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yesterday, we learned about water vehicles, and today we are going to do the revision through an activity.
In this activity, this is the water, this is the road, and this is the sky. And here we are having some different types of vehicles, and we have to keep these vehicles in air, water, and land. Which vehicle is this? Boat. Boat is a water vehicle. Next, which vehicle is this? Bike. Bike is a land vehicle. Next, what is this? Helicopter. Helicopter is a air vehicle. Next, this is a car. Car is a land vehicle. This is a hot air balloon. This is an air vehicle. Bus. Bus is a land vehicle. Next, ship. Ship is a water vehicle. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is an air vehicle. Boat. Boat is a water vehicle. These are the water vehicles, these are the land vehicles, and these are the air vehicles.
The activity was fun? Yes. Now we will solve the worksheet.
This is the worksheet, and look children, I have colored the picture of a boat with blue and red colors. I hope you all have colored the picture of a boat. Now we will see the second worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to circle the vehicles that move on water. Look, the first picture is of a ship. Ship is a water vehicle. So we have circled the picture. The next picture is of a cycle. Cycle is a land vehicle. So we will not circle the picture. The next picture is of an aeroplane. Aeroplane is an air vehicle. The next picture is of a boat. Boat is a water vehicle. So we have circled the picture. The next picture is of a car. Car is a land vehicle. So we will not circle the picture. The next picture is of a boat. Boat is a water vehicle. So we have circled the picture of the boat. I hope you all have done the worksheet in the same way.
I hope you had fun in this video. Thank you kids. Bye.